Flight delays, cancellations expected due to snowstorm. Denver, KDVR, a major snowstorm is moving into the Front Range Tuesday evening and is expected to severely impact travel on metro roads and air travel, as well. The Pinpoint Weather Team is forecasting this storm to drop anywhere from 5 to 10 inches of snow overnight into Wednesday late morning in the Denver metro area. As of 5:30 p.m., Denver International Airport had 150 delays and 178 cancellations ahead of the storm according to FlightAware.com. Winter storm, tips to stay safe on the road. Denver, the Front Range and the Northeastern Plains are officially under a winter storm warning effective until Wednesday night, making it a pinpoint weather alert day. As the storm moves into the southwestern part of the state Tuesday afternoon, areas like Telluride and Wolf Creek are getting heavy snow and roads are extremely dangerous. Snowstorm timeline: what to expect Tuesday and Wednesday. Many local businesses, city services, and schools have announced closures or delayed openings in anticipation of travel impacts. The timeline for snow on the Front Range is 10 to 11 p.m. Tuesday through 10 to 11 a.m. on Wednesday. Our Pinpoint Weather Team said the most impacted time will be the Wednesday morning commute. Officials at the airport remind travelers to check flight status with their airline before heading to the airport and to give themselves extra time getting to DIA as roads will be messy. They also ask passengers to be patient while crews de-ice the aircraft. What the airlines are doing ahead of storm. Southwest Airlines has already issued a station advisory for DEN and other airports before the storm, so employees throughout the company know to expect travel issues involving those airports. The company also posted an advisory for travelers with a list of impacted airports. 2022 sets new record for firearms found at Denver Airport. Frontier Airlines has a travel advisory posted on its site and said change fees have been waived for those looking to reschedule their travel from the same departure and destination cities. United Airlines also has waived change fees for those traveling in the next few days to several airports in and around the state. The change fee and any difference in fare will be waived for United flights departing on or before January 22, 2023, as long as travel is rescheduled in the originally ticketed cabin, any fare class, and between the same cities as originally ticketed, the site says.